Jai Shri Krishna friends, welcome to my health and taste. Today we are going to make Nimona, which is a very tasty Indian gravy which is made in winters with fresh green peas, and let's see how we'll make this. But before that, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and make sure you click the bell icon to receive notifications of all the upcoming yummy recipes. So let's begin with the ingredients first. For making this we need fresh green peas, which I have roughly grinded, or you can even crush it using a pestle and mortar, and we'll crush it in a way such that we have few peas remaining as is. Then we'll need half a cup of tomatoes, some onions, coriander chutney. In coriander chutney I have used only green chillies. If you want, you can even put the garlic and the ginger, what I'm using, separately. You can just grind it in the chutney itself and you can use that chutney. And then we'll need some coriander for garnishing. Now in a kadai or a pan, add oil, and to this add Asafoetida, cumin seeds, and the ginger. If you're using the ginger garlic in the green chutney, the coriander chutney, then you need not put it separately. Now we'll add onions and salt and fry it. To this we'll add our coriander chutney and then the crushed green peas. If you can see, some peas are even visible in my crushed peas. Now to this we'll add tomatoes, turmeric powder, red chilli powder, Dhaniya or coriander powder, and then Garam masala powder. We'll mix everything together really well. Now adding in more turmeric powder is totally up to your choice. I feel it is a little less, so I'm adding a little more. Now here I'm using whey water. I just made some yummy white rasgullas at home, so some whey water is remaining with me. So here I'm adding some whey water to this. So you can even add normal water. Now we'll just cover and cook it for 5 minutes on low flame. Once it is done, we'll stir it and again cook it for another 5 to 10 minutes. So how we'll come to know if it is done is the gravy will thicken and the water will reduce. So now it's ready to be served. We'll just garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves. Serve hot with the choice of your Indian bread. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the recipe. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel if you like the video. Eat healthy, stay happy. Bye bye.